Once upon a time, in the vast savanna of Africa, there lived a majestic lion cub named Leo. Leo had a beautiful golden coat, a big fluffy mane, and the most curious amber eyes. He was brave and strong, just like his father, the king of the jungle. One sunny day, while Leo was playing hide and seek with his siblings, he heard a faint cry for help. Following the sound, he came across a group of animals gathered around a deep pit. A little antelope had fallen in and was unable to get out. Without hesitation, Leo sprang into action. With his powerful paws and sharp claws, he carefully climbed down into the pit and helped the antelope back to safety. The grateful antelope thanked Leo with a grateful nod and bounded away, leaving Leo with a sense of pride and satisfaction. Word of Leo's heroic act spread across the savanna, and soon he became known as a protector and friend to all animals. He used his strength and courage to keep the peace in the jungle, making sure that everyone lived harmoniously. As Leo grew older, he became the king of the jungle, just like his father. He ruled with fairness and compassion, and all the animals looked up to him. He was a symbol of strength and leadership, and his wisdom was sought by all. Even though Leo was the king, he never stopped helping those in need. He continued to protect and care for the animals of the savanna, ensuring that everyone lived in harmony and peace. And so, dear baby, remember that strength and power are not just about physical abilities, but also about using them to protect and help those in need. Just like Leo, be brave, kind, and compassionate, and you too can make a difference in the world. The end.